What's up, guys? Yep. I'm gonna show y'all a leg day video. I'm gonna kind of walk you through it, and as you can see, I'm doing squats. Now it's gonna take a long time to do everything properly. Actually, when I was doing these, that bar right there is a short bar. It's not even a full-size bar, so I'm pretty sure it's a girl's bar. And it really made me mad when I figured that out, so I kept slamming it against the side. So yeah, I'm looking at this right now. I look like I'm going deep enough in this squat. It was my last set, but it's whatever. It's not that heavy, but it was for me. Yeah, that's pretty good. Make sure to squeeze my chest for my abs. Deep squat. Go down deep. Yep. That's pretty good. What I did after squats, I did walking lunges. That's what you're about to see. Oh, yes, look at my awkward walk. I like it. I like it a lot. Walking lunges are not fun. They are definitely worse than squats. Usually when I see people do walking lunges, they use like dumbbells, but I don't like to do that. I feel better using the actual barbell when I do these. Makes me feel better. Can put my hands on the very end and just, yeah. My legs were freaking burning. They were burning before I started doing these freaking lunges. Every time I went down, I mean, look at that. I couldn't even come up. I could barely come up. Ah, so much pain, so much fun. Yep. I did 3 sets of these. Walked all the way down, walked all the way back. Also, I did 5 sets of squats. I'm just showing y'all the last set of everything. Leg extensions. Did these right after I did lunges. See, I'm doing these wrong. As you can see, I'm doing them too fast. Supposed to squeeze at the top. I mean, my legs were already on fire, but you're supposed to squeeze. Trying to make my legs grow, not, you know. They need to be freaking burning a lot more than they were. Need to squeeze the muscle. Need to make that muscle work harder. Yeah, so you see me shaking my head no, that's because I knew I was doing them wrong, and I still did it anyways. That's whatever. And here, I'm pretty sure I did the same thing. The last set, I was tired. I could barely think. See, I'm supposed to squeeze my hamstrings. I'm not squeezing them, and I'm supposed to hold it for a couple of seconds. And I really messed that up, didn't I? Next leg day, I'm not gonna mess that up. And getting a cramp on these is just not fun at all. I just do not. I had a cramp one time, and I was like, on the floor. Like, I dropped immediately to the floor and was trying to stretch it out. It was not fun. It was painful. Yeah. Oh, look at my hair. Oh, it's so crazy. Should have combed it or something. Jeez. Yeah, that was pretty much it. Now I'm gonna show y'all the pump afterwards. Man, I'm so white. I kind of need a tan, but, you know, who has time to tan? My legs are getting there. I mean, yeah, they're really long. It's like the longest muscle, I swear. I have such long legs, small torso, long arms. I'm an awkward looking guy, but I don't care. My calves ain't that bad considering every time I take a step, I do a calf raise. Literally every time. My back kind of looks weird. Like, look at that, look at that. Like, what's this? I don't know what that is. Why is this? It's like an OCD thing. Why does that look like this? And that just bothers me. Got a nice little V going. My lower back is just terrible. I need to start working on that. My arms, they kind of look the same. They don't look that far off. You can tell right here. I'm going to point it out because it bothers me. Clearly, my right arm is smaller. Or that's my left arm. My shoulder, look at the shoulder. It's just the definition of my whole left arm and left side is terrible. I got to work on evening that out, whatever. Yeah, it's not that bad. But it just takes work to even it all out. Pretty white. Dang, what's that? My hamstrings are actually kind of popping right there. It just takes time. My legs have always been really small. Probably when I was training them, I wasn't training them properly all those years. Literally for like the last 3 years lifting weights off and on. I mean, I've already explained to y'all in the video. Need to be more serious, more dedicated. Takes time. Need to get a good plan going. Trying to hit 175 pounds before Christmas. Still. My abs, though, my abs never showed. I mean, it's only been recently so I can actually see my abs. It's actually kind of crazy. Like, I've never been able to see that. And the line that goes down, you can see the lines. Doesn't look that good on the camera, but it did in the mirror for sure. My arms are actually kind of up there. Got to get those bigger, though. My hair is insane. Oh, man, I can barely think at this time. My legs were dead. I was dizzy literally the whole time. Need to drink more water. Yeah, look at my legs. They're getting there. Pretty big. Takes more food. Jeez. But yeah. It was a small little leg day there. Didn't do a lot of hard stuff, but I did enough. I just been trying to figure out my food, what I'm gonna eat, and all the stuff I need to eat, because I'm tired of eating chicken and rice every day. Like, it gets to a point I even think about eating chicken. I'm just don't want to do it. Like, absolutely do not want to do it. So I've been trying to think of other things I can eat. I don't eat chicken and rice for every meal. I wake up, have a protein shake, and then when I get to work, every meal at work, if I'm at work, if I have 3 breaks, I have chicken and rice for each break. Chicken, rice, and water or whatever. And if I have 4 breaks, then I have chicken and rice all 4 breaks. And if I have 5 breaks, I eat 5 times. Like, I'm serious. 5 times chicken and rice every day. Literally, I've been doing that for so long. It's crazy. I'm done. Now I'm going to try to switch it up. I'm going to have like chicken and potatoes, pasta, chicken and rice, chicken and sweet potatoes. I could have something other than chicken, but chicken is the easiest thing to make and keep in the refrigerator. I could have turkey and stuff like that, but I don't know. We'll see. I haven't got that far yet. I'm going to start adding pasta and potatoes and sweet potatoes instead of the rice. The rice is like, it tastes different now. It really does. Like, they changed it. It used to taste so good, and it was just a lot better. It was just a lot better than it was. And now it's just like, no. It's so dry, I can't eat it. Before, I could literally like shovel it in my mouth. They only give us 15 minutes to eat at work, and it's really hard. I had to literally walk in, put it in the microwave, sit down, and eat the whole time. Can't talk to nobody. Can't play on my phone. I have to literally just sit down and shovel food in my mouth every break. I've been doing that for a year and a half. Been doing it for so long. Yeah, it's crazy. Just gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. And I need to be more dedicated and not slack off ever. This week was kind of bad. It was really bad this week. I messed up this week. Monday, I didn't do chest. Tuesday, I did chest. Wednesday, I was supposed to do back, but I skipped it. And then Thursday, I did back. And then Friday, I did a quick shoulder session. And then Saturday, I did arms. And then today is Sunday, and I did fucking legs. And yeah, I was dizzy. Man, this was crazy. Did a lot of reps. I'm trying to go heavier, a lot heavier than what I'm used to. I need to start lifting heavy. I've been always doing light weights with high reps, and just not cutting it. I'm gonna trying something else. I'm gonna start doing heavy on everything all the time. Heavy mother effing weights is what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know. It's hard to do chest like Monday after work. When I hit chest, my right arm is so fatigued already from throwing boxes around in the trailer and picking up boxes, and so it's like really hard to train chest on Monday. I should probably switch chest to Sunday, but it just, I don't know, just have to do what you gotta do, I guess. I gotta figure it out. Tomorrow I have to train chest. I can't wait. Chest day, best day. I think shoulders is the best day. I don't know. My shoulders are kind of, I don't know, they're kind of hard to see because I'm so white. And I need to get a tan. Yeah, see the shoulders. Oh, that's an awkward little stance right there. Gotta work on posing clearly too. My left arm is weird. It has freaking. That's my left arm. My veins and stuff are messed up. Yeah. So that was my leg day video that I made. I did not train as hard as I did the last leg day, but I was sore for literally a week and like 2 or 3 days. Yeah, I was sore for a long time after that leg day. It was crazy. Oh, I should have recorded that session. That was fun. Ooh. So yeah, this was fun. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep grinding, keep killing it every day.